Alright, I have pulled off the other side radiator. As you can see, it's not there anymore. We are getting ready to move this car to my new little workshop. I'd love to keep it here, but there's just not enough room between this car and everything else. It's just not going to happen. So you can see one radiator was there, the hoses connected, one there and one there. In the middle, same on the other side, which we already took off. That frame's all gone. That frame's still there, it's welded to the frame of the car. So the only reason the other one came off was because it was broken. Everything else seems pretty good in here. Nothing's really broken. Everything's just moved a little bit. So we'll see a bit of the damage. You can see here, it's split here, split along here. You know, this is all obviously all bent there, there. All the frame down here, you can see it's split here, here, and there's a bunch of breaks around the place and bends. Now, a lot of people will say this car probably needs to be thrown in the bin, but I don't think so. You know, anything can be fixed, and if it's done properly, it will be fine. And I won't be welding anything myself on this car. Everything will be done by a professional in a shop. They'll be taking the frame once I've taken everything apart and doing their magic. So anything structural will be done properly. And then once that's all done, everything else should, in theory, just bolt back on. All the dash, underneath the dash is broken. You know, all the mounting points, this moves. It shouldn't move like that, obviously. But excited to move to the new workshop. All I have to say is these dollies are the best invention ever. Whether there's a wheel or not, you can move this car so much easier. Just pump it up with this, with your foot, and you can let it down. Now we just gotta wait for the tow truck. Alright, the tow truck has dropped it off. And this is the new space. Needs a bit of work. See, I'll probably put some toolboxes down the back. And the car will obviously be in the middle. Upstairs I'll store all the bits and pieces that I'll take off. And I'll need to put some lights in. So yeah, that's it for now.